All right, DW Moore says, so you just a bully. Y'all using up my battery. It's my battery. With this $1,000 iPhone and this high-ass Verizon bill. And this $30, $40 entry fee to get up in here. Yeah, I'm bringing all that up. They don't let me in here. Yeah. Yeah, I want something. If it can't be no cash, at least put a like. That's just a button press. You want to do something for free? Hit the like button. Oh, you want to donate? Oh, my Cash App, Lookout Racing. Put the money sign in front. It worked. Yeah, but for the freeze, hey, why not a good button? DW Moore, he just want me to just straight flat out charge y'all. Just boom, everybody, y'all gotta pay $3 to watch. You don't got $3, get out of here. DW Moore, you say that's your solution, DW Moore? Okay. My boy DW Moore says that is the solution. Make all of you guys pay. I can hear some of y'all now. I ain't paying a motherfucking thing. Shit, I'm watching something for free. Somebody else out there live streaming. I knew it. Uh-oh, somebody, Samuel Atkins say here's Sean Clone, his little 13-inch, y'all. Hey, y'all. I see you got that little green on that wheel. What that green mean, man? That came off another car you wrecked?
No.
Oh, okay.
Not yet.
What happened? What happened? How that wheel get green, man?
I had somebody paint it.
Oh, you had somebody. But what made you want green? Oh, he had extra green paint?
Yeah, I just had a little extra.
Oh, okay, okay.
That's what I do with all my leftover paint.
Okay. You got a turbo or something, or you nitrous?
I got a little turbo.
Oh, you got a turbo? Yeah, he flying, y'all. He flying. Ooh. You can tell when they flying, they do little stuff like that, paint they wheel greens.
I got them fancy little color touches here.
They'll be like, man, you know that Mustang, the gray one. No, I don't know which one you're talking about. The one with the green bead lock. Oh, that one. Yeah, he flying. Don't mess with him, fool. Telling you. Don't mess with him. Got that green bead lock. Oh, yeah, how much horsepower you have? Diablo Kenner say he cashed at me 5. Appreciate it. How y'all doing over here? What's this thing? Angry Bird? That's a good name for this. Yeah, I can see that. I can see that. DW Moore said it's 30 to get in, 30 in gas, food, I'll be out 100 plus. Give the man something. Haggard's Custom say he shirted in hood to hood. They still clean the track, y'all. They still clean the track. Still clean. Somebody on TikTok said, yeah, man, when are you guys racing? I want to see some action. Yeah, Lookout Racing. That's it. All together. Oh, he trying to cash out me something for real. Yeah, Lookout Racing, man. Put it all together and put a money sign in front. Oh yeah, man, we're freaking getting this track clean, man. We're on our like 6-barrel of glue. Yeah, we freaking put out like 6 barrels of glue, dude. Oh yeah, we called all our buddies up here to the freaking race, dude, to bring their $500,000 cars. Just a couple of them didn't want to put an engine blanket that cost $129. Oh yeah, man.
Way up on the top end, man. That's why we understand if you got a diaper on, sometimes these things happen with a diaper also, man. But you know, if you guys got these, I ain't got to say nothing to these fast guys. I know they got 2 or 3 diapers on there, man.
Oh yeah, but
diapers
still.
are required this year, man. Some of the local tracks around here, man, they're gonna be checking for diapers. So
my number is 214 514-9545. Somebody gonna write it down in the comment section because it got people seeming like they want to donate something. Let's see something. Hey, go on, put it there. That way they ain't got to keep asking. Somebody help me, please. Help me, please. I said 214-514-9545. We don't want to miss out for lookout. Everybody look out.
I just want these guys don't never smile, man. You walk by these guys, these hot rods, they just
they don't even be
happy, man.
That's what I'm saying.
Man, how come y'all ain't never happy, man?
Oh yeah, dude, it didn't freaking run the freaking time that we wanted last time.
We smile on the inside.
Y'all smile and we're like, come on, huh? All right, man. My man with the salty, I can't say that, man. I'm a church man. I'm just gonna say the salty money right here, man. I just want
Okay, we got Terry. He done sent something for me. Send me 20, y'all.
What year is the hot rod?
Tell Terry I appreciate it, y'all. We're gonna give Terry
2016 Corvette. I tell you what, man. I know y'all went to Georgia a few weeks ago. What y'all do? I don't know.
Oh,
most
now
of y'all
who's that?
right
SR 1986.
Texas, Georgia, South Carolina, Florida.
Well, I sure appreciate that. Hey, for real, y'all.
Okay, I heard y'all went up to Georgia and got bipolar. Is that right?
Somebody said say it
We got
slow.
lucky.
Look out, racing.
Word on the street says y'all got one of the
Appreciate that
fastest
backyard
in the
beast.
United States. Is that right?
Hey, Will Mac, I seen that and I sure appreciate that, y'all.
Like I say, man,
I
y'all
sure
you guys out
appreciate
of
that.
Tennessee.
Eric Guzman, I appreciate the 5, man. They looking out for lookout now. See, they say I just gotta open up my mouth. They always said closed mouth don't get fed. That's why I be gone saying something. I be hating the ones they be saying, don't say nothing, look at. Hey, man, you stopping me from getting what I'm trying to
I'll be
accomplish.
over across the street at Jake's Race, man. Shout out to my man, Big Jake. You got a event. We gonna support everybody, man.
No, my number is 214-514-9545.
Good luck, man. I'm glad y'all here, man. Good luck.
We got 214-514-9545. All right, y'all, we got my man Coach in the building.
What's going down, man?
Oh, yeah, man. We walk by some of these guys, they ain't smiling. I heard they smiling on the inside.
They say they smile when the wind light come on.
Yeah, on the inside. I got to get my friend. I got some friends that ain't subscribed to my YouTube channel. Yeah. And then I be thinking they got the notification, and then they just keep calling.
I tried to click on to your what you did to gut last night, and I hit it.
Yeah.
It wouldn't come up.
Oh yeah. See what happened last night? It was too much going on last night. It was too much going on. But I got everything cleared up. Cause see, I be having mine in 1080p, and everybody don't know how to do that, so mine have a little extra.